In primetime news this evening, roll it back. JPS facing increased pressure over spike in electricity bills.
Woman loses baby and suffers damage to reproductive organs during botched operation at hospital.
And a new JTA president calls for review of PEP exam. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. A special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. With a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, some historic news. For the first time since the COVID-19 pandemic, the Bank of Jamaica is adjusting downward the policy interest rate. And also, the Jamaican dollar has hit a new record low compared to the US currency. So lots of breaking news coming in the business day a little later on.
Thank you, Keys. And Spencer Darlington has a preview of Primetime Sports.
Thank you, Archie. Well, there's a second major trophy in 3 months for reggae girl Khadija Bonishaw. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
Breaking news all around.
Yes. And there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what advice would you give the government on how to retain teachers in Jamaica?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us, the news in detail right after the break.